Hi friends! We are going to be talking about letter Y this week. Y. And you can make a Y with your hands like this. Y. Y makes the Y sound. Y, Y, Y. Alright, so this is the letter Y. Y. Let's see some things that start with letter Y. What's this? What color? Yellow. Yellow starts with Y. Yellow. Yellow. Does anyone know what that is? Yarn. Yarn starts with Y. Yarn. Yarn. What's that? Yo-yo. Yo-yo starts with Y. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. What's that? Yogurt. Yogurt starts with letter Y. Yogurt. Yogurt. Ooh, what are they doing? Yoga. Yoga. Yoga starts with Y. Yoga. In yoga, friends, you can take nice deep breaths and blow out the candle. Yoga. This is letter Y. This is letter Y. Let's try to see if we can find letter Y, okay? Is this letter Y or is this letter Y? Which one? This one! This one's letter Y. Let's try another one. Is this letter Y or is this letter Y? This one right here, this is letter Y. Y. Is this letter Y? Is this letter Y? Or is this letter Y? This one! This one's letter Y. Y. Is this letter Y? This letter Y? Or this letter Y? This one! This is letter Y. What about here? Is this letter Y? This letter Y? This one? Or this one? Which one? This one! This is letter Y. Letter Y. Friends, that is it. So we learned about our letter Y, we made it with our hands, and we know what sound it makes. Yeah. So keep practicing, okay? Bye!